Hi there, kindergartners. Happy Monday. Sorry I'm not here in real life, but let's go over phonics, okay? Everyone say, I can identify the sound of the letter G. All right, let's get started. So here's a cool video of Jack Hartman. We're not going to watch this right now, but I am going to put a link in your Google Classroom so you have the option to watch it later. He's talking about the letters SH. When we take S and H and put them together, we make the sound sh. What sound is it? Good, like shoe or shell. All these words start with SH. SH goes shh. You should check it out. All right, we're going to do a little warm up with Leo. I don't have Leo here today, but say, that's okay, Miss Stanel. Thanks, Kinder. All right, let's take a look at these. I'm going to say two sounds. You're going to say the sounds after me and then put them together to make the word. Here we go. Everyone say, b, ed. What's the word? Bed. Good job. G, Earl. What's the word? Girl. G, oat. What's the word? Goat. G, aim. What's the word? Game. Make sure you're using your hand to split up the sounds so we can see it. Okay, so your mouth is moving, your hands are moving, you are learning and growing your brain. Let's keep going. G, iv. What's the word? Give. Nice. Gr, o. What's the word? Grow. Good job. K, old. What's the word? Cold. K, ow. What's the word? Cow. Good job. A couple more. Say k, ook. What's the word? Cook. B, at. What's the word? Bat. Nice. Bull, ink. What's the word? Blink. That last one. B, asket. What's the word? Basket. Good job. Now I have another question for you. I'm going to say two words. If they have the same first sound, I want you to give me a thumbs up like this. Show me a thumbs up in 3, 2, 1. If they do not start with the same sound, you're going to go like this or give me thumbs down. Got it? All right, let's get started. Everyone say the word mop. Meat. Do they have the same beginning sounds? Show me in 3, 2, 1. Good job. Next one is duck. Mouse. Do those have the same beginning sounds? Show me in 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, let's keep going. Everyone say the word noodle. 9. Do those have the same beginning sounds? Show me in 3, 2, 1. Good job. Next is tail. Table. Do those have the same beginning sounds? Show me in 3, 2, 1. T, t, t. Good job. Next is nail. Jam. Do those have the same beginning sounds? Show me in 3, 2, 1. No, they don't. Good job. Last one. Everyone say pink. Pot. Do those have the same beginning sounds? Show me in 3, 2, 1. Yes, they do. Good job. Pa, pa, pa. Fantastic. Now, let me get this nice and big. This is the new letter we're learning today. I want you to see this too. So this is the letter G. Everyone say G. G. Say G, G, G. Yes, G says G, G, G. This is the letter G right here. There's a funny looking G that has one like this. Sometimes you might see it. Sometimes the teachers might be testing you on it. And now you know. This is also the letter G. Let's write all three of these G's in the air. Let's start with a capital G. You do the big curve, stop, bring the line in. Do it with me. Big curve, stop, little line in. Capital G. Good job. Let's do the lowercase g. Ready? Me first. You do the magic C, stop, bring it all the way down and hook it around. Do it with me. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Magic C, stop, bring it down and hook it around. That is very good. Awesome. We're not going to write that last G because that's just something you see in a book. Let's take a look at our card though. This is our gopher card. Everyone say gopher. Good. This is our gopher card. And I want to play this story for you. We're going to listen to this story 2 times. Actually, let's just listen to it 1 time. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, and I want you to hear you doing the g sound. What sound is it? Nice. All right, so the sound is a little funny on the video, so I'm just going to read the story to you while we go around with Gary the Gopher. Let's check it out. Gopher. Gary the Gopher, he loves to gulp down food. G, gulps the gopher. Gary the Gopher gulps down grass because it tastes so good. Gary the Gopher. Gary the Gopher gulps down grapes. Gobs and gobs of grapes. Gary the Gopher. Gary the Gopher gobbles green beans and says once more, He's such a hungry gopher. Gary the Gopher gobbles in the garden until everything is gone. What sound does Gary make? G. Very good job. That is Gary the Gopher. This is our gopher card. Now let's go over some words that have the G sound. If it has a G sound, you can touch your throat right here and go G. Here we go. The word is girl. What's the word? Girl. Does girl begin with the G sound? Show me in 3, 2, 1. G. Nice work. Next one. The word is sought. What's the word? Sought. Does sought begin with a G sound? Show me in 3, 2, 1. No, it does not. Next word. The word is got. What's the word? Got. Does got begin with the G sound? Show me in 3, 2, 1. G. Keep it up. Next one. The word is set. What's the word? Set. Does set begin with the G sound? Show me in 3, 2, 1. Nope, it doesn't. Good. Next word is get. Get. Does get begin with the G sound? Show me in 3, 2, 1. G. Good job. Next word is gill. What's the word? Gill. Does gill begin with the G sound? Show me in 3, 2, 1. G. Nice work. Next one. The word is sill. Sill. Does sill begin with the G sound? Show me in 3, 2, 1. No, it doesn't. Nice work. Next, the word is game. Game. Does game begin with the G sound? Show me in 3, 2, 1. G. Great work. Next, the word is same. Same. Does same begin with the G sound? Show me in 3, 2, 1. No, it does not. Next, the word is grit. Grit. Does grit begin with the G sound? Show me in 3, 2, 1. G. Nice work. Last one, the word is sit. Sit. Does sit begin with the G sound? Show me in 3, 2, 1. No, it does not. Wow, good job, Kinder. Alrighty, so that is the letter G. G says G. And now let's see if we can find the letter G over here. Alrighty, between these two words, I'm looking for the word giggle. Giggle. Is it number 1 or number 2? Show me now. Yes, this is the word giggle. You know it's giggle because it starts with the letter G. Next, we're looking for the word get. Get. Is it number 1 or number 2? Show me now. Yes, this is the word get. How do you know it's the word get? Because it starts with the letter G. Next, we're looking for the word grade. Grade. Is it number 1 or number 2? Show me in 3, 2, 1. Yes, number 1. How do you know that? Because it starts with the letter G. You see the G right there. Grade. Let's hop up here. Now I'm looking for the word green. Green. Is it number 1 or number 2? Show me in 3, 2, 1. Green. How do you know that's the word green? Because it starts with the letter G. Nice work. Now I'm looking for the word ground. Ground. Is it number 1 or number 2? Show me in 3, 2, 1. Ground. Nice work. And last one, I'm looking for the word goldfish. Goldfish. Is it number 1 or number 2? Show me in 3, 2, 1. 2. Good. How do you know? Because it starts with the letter G. Very nice work. And that's all there is for phonics. Great work learning the sounds of the letter G. G says G, like Gary the gopher. Great work. Okay, remember, go watch that video by Jack Hartman on SH, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, have a great rest of your day. Bye.